Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best rennet tablets is probably one of the most crucial ingredients for any home cheesemaker, transforming milk into delicious cheese. From beginners to seasoned enthusiasts, the right rennet can make or break your cheesemaking endeavors. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of rennet tablets, exploring everything you need to know to choose the perfect one for your next cheese creation. Number 5. Cultures for Health Cheese Starter Kit. This starter kit includes everything you need to make your own cheese at home. It comes with starter culture packets and rennet tablets. It's easy to use and perfect for beginners. With this kit, you can create a variety of cheeses. Explore different flavors and textures by making feta, cheddar, or even farmer's cheese. The possibilities are endless. This direct set culture means there's no need for maintenance. Once you've made your cheese, you're done. It's a simple process, ideal for those new to cheesemaking. Unlike store-bought cheese, the cheese you make with this kit is free of artificial additives. You control the ingredients, ensuring a healthier option for you and your family. Each batch of this starter is tested by a third-party lab. You can be confident that you're using a high-quality, safe product to make delicious, non-GMO, and gluten-free cheese. What we like. This starter kit allows you to make a wide variety of cheeses, from feta to cheddar. It's also incredibly easy to use, perfect for beginners. If you're looking to explore different cheese types and enjoy the satisfaction of making your own, you should consider this. What people say. This cheese culture was fantastic for making basic cheddar cheese. It's not my favorite brand of culture, but it worked great. The product works. I made cream cheese, it came out delicious. It was easy to use. Worked as intended. Very satisfied. Number 4. Mozzarella and Ricotta Cheese Making Kit. This kit includes everything you need to make delicious mozzarella and ricotta cheese at home. It comes with rennet tablets, citric acid, cheese salt, a thermometer, and cheesecloth. With this kit, you can enjoy fresh, homemade cheese. The kit includes rennet tablets, citric acid, cheese salt, a thermometer, and butter muslin. It also comes with detailed step-by-step instructions. This kit has all the essentials for cheese making. If you're new to cheese making, this kit is perfect for you. The mozzarella recipe only takes about half an hour to complete. It's a fun and rewarding experience. This all-inclusive kit makes a great gift for anyone who loves cooking, baking, or trying new things. Whether they're already a cheese enthusiast or just looking for a new hobby, they'll love it. It's a unique and thoughtful present. The kit uses high-quality, gluten-free, and non-GMO ingredients. You can rest assured knowing that only natural ingredients are used. It ensures the best possible results. This kit uses vegetable rennet, so no animals are harmed in the cheese-making process. It's a great option for vegetarians and anyone who prefers a plant-based approach. This allows everyone to enjoy the process. What we like. This kit provides everything you need to make mozzarella and ricotta in about 30 minutes. It's a great gift for anyone interested in cheese making. If you're looking for a simple, all-in-one kit with vegetarian rennet, you should choose this one. What people say. The instructions are super clear, even for beginners like us. The ingredients provided are high quality, and the process was a fun activity to do with friends or family. The final product is outstanding, a mozzarella I'd be thrilled to serve to family or friends, put on a pizza, or just snack on. Number 3. Cheese Molds 2x0.7L Blue Italian Caciotta Mold. These blue cheese molds are the foundation for crafting authentic cheese with a unique, original flavor. Unlike conventional molds, this one is easy to clean, ensuring no cheese residue remains. This allows you to prepare different cheeses without cross-contaminating cultures, preserving the original taste. Each mold produces approximately 0.75 kilograms of cheese. It has a top internal diameter of 5.5 inches and a bottom internal diameter of 5.31 inches, with an internal height of 2.76 inches. This design ensures optimal cheese production. The design allows for easy cleaning, ensuring no cheese residue remains. You can easily remove all the remaining cheese grains in the cheese-shaped cells to prepare another type of cheese without mixing cheese cultures of different cheeses. This ensures the purity of each cheese batch. As a manufacturer, we guarantee the highest quality for all our cheese-making equipment. You can explore our full range of products in our store. These molds are produced in Ukraine at the Hozprom factory. The geometry of each mold is carefully designed, with drainage holes to effectively remove whey during the cheese-making process. This design maximizes compliance with the production technology of soft and semi-hard milk cheeses. This mold is suitable for making various hard and soft cheeses from cow, goat, and sheep's milk. It can be used to create cheeses like mozzarella, parmesan, Gouda, and many more. It's a versatile tool for any cheese enthusiast. What we like. These molds are designed for easy cleaning, ensuring no mixing of cheese cultures. They are made by a professional manufacturer, guaranteeing high quality. If you want to make a variety of soft and semi-hard cheeses with ease, it's a great choice. What people say. The product was used as intended as a cheese mold. It did a good job of forming the cheese. It's a cheese mold, what can I say? It seems well made, sturdy and easy washing. Number 2. Cheese molds for hard and soft cheese making. These blue cheese molds are the foundation for creating authentic cheese with a unique, original flavor. Unlike typical cheese molds, this one is easy to clean, ensuring no cheese residue remains. This allows you to prepare different types of cheese without mixing cultures. This mold is designed for optimal cheese production. It has a top internal diameter of 155 mm, a bottom internal diameter of 135 mm, and an internal height of 85 mm. The design ensures efficient whey removal during the cheese-making process. The design of this mold allows for easy cleaning, ensuring no cheese residue remains. You can easily remove all the remaining cheese grains to prepare another type of cheese without mixing cheese cultures of different cheeses. This ensures the original taste of your cheese. We are manufacturers of professional cheese molds, guaranteeing the highest quality. You can find all the equipment you need for cheese making in our store. Choose from our professional sets of cheese molds. These cheese molds are produced in Ukraine at the Hozprom factory. The geometry is carefully designed for each form, with drainage holes to remove whey when pressing cheese grains. This maximizes compliance with the production technology of soft and semi-hard milk cheeses. This mold is suitable for making hard and soft cheeses from cow, goat, and sheep's milk. You can create cheeses like mozzarella, parmesan, brie, and many more. It is a versatile tool for any cheesemaker. What we like. These molds are designed for easy cleaning, ensuring no mixing of cheese cultures. They are made by a professional manufacturer, guaranteeing high quality. If you want to make a variety of soft and semi-hard cheeses with ease, it's a great choice. What people say. So nice cheesemakers, easy use and washing. Very helpful, exactly what I was looking for. Makes ricotta. Number 1. QSO Vegetable Rennet Tablets, strip of 10. Introducing the QSO Vegetable Rennet Tablets. These tablets are perfect for home cheese making, ensuring a delicious and ethical product. They are made with vegetable rennet and are gluten-free and non-GMO. This product contains no animal products, making it suitable for vegetarians. It's also gluten-free, so it can be used by people with dietary restrictions. It's a great choice for everyone. Each tablet is scored into 4 segments. This makes it easy to break into smaller pieces. You can easily measure the amount you need for your cheesemaking project. Use half a tablet to set 2 gallons of milk. It will set in approximately 45 minutes. This allows you to make cheese efficiently. This product is ideal for home cheese makers. It provides a reliable and convenient way to make cheese. Enjoy the process and the delicious results. What we like. These rennet tablets are made from vegetable sources, making them suitable for vegetarians. They are also easy to break into smaller portions for home cheese making. If you are looking for a simple and reliable rennet option, you should choose this. What people say. I've been using them twice and they've worked super well for me. Works well. Keep in freezer, because it will last you a long time. Excellent product, very easy to use for curdling milk at home. The tablets work quickly and give a firm curd with great taste. Perfect for making homemade cheese in a simple way. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.